Hi, I am an apple. I am an apple, red and sweet, crunchy, juicy, what a treat! Banana. I am a banana, long and bright. Peel me up, such a tight. Strawberry. I am strawberry, small and red, with tiny seeds on my head. Grapes. We are grapes, purple or green. We love to hang in a bunchy team. Orange. Round and shiny, full of cheer. Orange says, good health is here. Hi, kiddos, can you sing with me? Apples, banana, strawberry too, grapes and orange all for you. Fruits are yummy, fruits are sweet, healthy snacks we love to eat.
Hi, let's learn some fun facts. Do you know, kiddos, an apple a day keeps a doctor away? Banana gives us energy. Grapes are sweet and juicy, perfect for snacks and juice. Do you know strawberries have seeds outside?
Wow!
That's really fun. Orange. Oranges are berries. Yes, they are actually a type of berry called Hesperidium. Yay! You did it. You learned fruits today. Don't forget to eat your favorite fruit every day to stay strong and healthy.
Bye. Subscribe for fun learning videos.